Alright, welcome again to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. Here is my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, I want you to please click the red subscribe button and turn up the bell notification, so whenever I'm going to post any other videos, you'll be the first person to notify. So what you need to do is you need to move on to your Facebook account now, your main Facebook account. Alright, here's my main Facebook account. Here's my Facebook account. So what you need to do, you need to come to these three dots here, this place here, then you click. Once you click, the process will open like this. Then you come to pages, you click on pages. So have you seen I've already created like 2 pages, but for the benefit of this video, I want to show you guys how to create and set up your Facebook page. So the next step that you need to follow is you need to come to this create. You need to click on this create. You need to click on this create. Now they'll ask you new profile or page. So the thing that you need to follow is public page, not personal profile. We are not going to open a personal profile. We are going to open a personal page, which is grow as a business creator or organization. Get advanced provisional tools. Have you seen? So assign access to others. So this is the one that we will go for. Then we need to tick here, then click on next. So after that, what they will bring you now is what is the name of your page. Like you need to put the name that you need to give your page. As for me, I'll go with Samuel Edits. So alright, here is the page. So what you need to do, you need to click on this next now. So after you have clicked on next, they will take you to the process for you to update your categories. So what is the category simply means what your page is all about, like what your brand is all about, what is the benefit of your page, what are you going to do with this your page. Are you a content creator or a digital marketer or what? So what you are going to do is, for me, I'm going to go with product and service. I'm going to go with product or service instead. Okay, it's not. All right, marketing agency. Have you seen? Or advertising and marketing. Advertising / marketing. Have you seen? So I need to go with this one. Then the next thing that you need to click is create. Once you click on create, you wait for it to load. It will automatically take you to the process to create your page. Sorry, my network. All right, so have you seen? You have created your page. What best describe your goals? Have you seen? We will use this to help you finish setting up Samuel Edit. Have you seen? It won't change your access to all your pages feature. So that's just for that. So what is your page all about? Is it about products and promote your product or service, or is your page all about content creator? Is it about creating content and connect with friends? As for me, my page is all about promote your product or service. So I need to click on that and then click on create, continue. Then from there, what you need to do now, you can skip this process, then later up we set up. But for the benefit of this video, I'm going to take you through the process for you to set up your page. So the next thing that you need to do is your bio. Like bio simply means what people will see on your dashboard, like what is your page is all about. Like what I will need to do, I have something here that I would like to put here. Have you seen? So here is what my page is all about. Online entrepreneur, digital marketing, business coach. I teach young Nigerians how to make money. So that is just the process. This is my bio. So the next thing is my website. All right, I'll still need to come here and put my website. Have you seen? Then I'll need to come here and put email that I would like to use. So that is just for that. So the next process that you need to follow is to click on this next. Then you need to click on next. Then after you have clicked on next, have you seen? So the next step that you need to take is for you to upload your profile. You need to upload your profile. As for me, I'll need to go and choose my pictures. I'll need to put my pictures there. Okay, not this particular one. All right, I'll need to put my picture. I'll need to put my pictures here. All right, So you wait for it to load. So after it has load, the next thing is for you to put your, okay, now here is what I'm going to put. All right, I'm going to come here, then come to WhatsApp. No, not WhatsApp at all. Come to Facebook, then come to here. All right, for my cover page. All right, I have set up my profile and my cover page. So the next step is the edit the action button. Okay, the action button, I will take you through this process. To put the action button, you click on this action button here. It will take you to the surface and you click on try it. Have you seen? As for me, I will okay, if you want to link your website, you can go here, then you put your, once you come here, then you click on next. It will take you to the process for you to put your website link. But as for me, I'm not going to put my website link. Okay, let's say let me put my website link. All right, for you to see, for the benefit of this video, you click on save. Once you click on save, it has already take you back. Have you seen? Your link, your action button has been put, but you can still delete it and use WhatsApp. It's just for you to just follow up the process. Then they will take you for you to put your WhatsApp number. Then you put your WhatsApp number, but please make sure that you are using a business WhatsApp. Once you put your WhatsApp number, they will redirect you to WhatsApp for you to, they will send a code to your WhatsApp. Then you go to your WhatsApp and copy the code and paste there. So that is just the process. So the next step that we are going to take is next. You need to click on next. So you need to wait for it to load. Maybe my network has an issue. All right, they will take you to process for you to add details. Okay, as for me, I'm not going to add anyone, but for you, you can go ahead and select all your friends. Like, have you seen, they say grow your presence by inviting your friends to like your new page. Have you seen? So as for me, I'm not going for that. I'll unselect all. So the process is they ask me to add all my friends, like to select about my 1000 friends so that they can like or follow up my page, but I'm not going for that. So that is just for that. I'll click on next. So the next process is suggest. No, I'm not going for that. I'm not going to add your favorite to Samuel page and profile you follow. So I'm not going for this. I'm not going to add the pages that I followed in my real account. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to click on next. So once I click on next, have you seen, say stay informed about your page? Turn on those features to help makes the most of Samuel edit. You can change them at any time in settings. Have you seen? That is to tell you that all the settings that you put there, the action button, the profile, the cover page, that you can easily change them. So the next step that you are going to take is you click on done. All right, so it will redirect you now to your page for you to check how your page is and the necessary process that you need to follow. All right, here's your, all right, we have successfully create our page. Here is our page now. Have you seen? We successfully create our page. So this is just the process. So if you want to connect your WhatsApp, it is very easy. You just need to click here. As for me, I'm not going to follow up all those things here in this video. So now the aim of this video was to show you the process on how you can successfully create a business Facebook page. So that's just for that. So please, if you are new to my channel, please, I want you to click the red subscribe button so that I post a new other video, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you.